Biological experts Steffi and Charles spend their days identifying and counting all of the animals and samples of the seabed. Their task is crucial for monitoring the health of an entire marine ecosystem, but it requires the patience of a saint. Finding a better, faster way. That's the goal of the Interreg North Sea project, GEANS. These bottom-dwelling or benthic organisms form the basis of the food chain, and they are quick to react to disturbances. That makes them very useful as indicators for ecological change. Using visual identification methods like these, it can take up to 3 days to process a sample. Within the GEANS project, researchers are developing innovative, automated methods that promise to be not only faster, but more accurate and cheaper. These new DNA-based methods assign 1 DNA barcode per species. In the GEANS project, 9 European research institutes are working together to apply and harmonize this so-called meta-barcoding technique within the North Sea marine environment.
We want to generate DNA sequences of the most important species, those species that we already know respond to ecosystem changes. But we also want to generate DNA barcodes for several hundreds of benthic species in the North Sea. We are also making a digital library where these sequences will be deposited.
Most people associate the North Sea with tourism and recreation. But these waters are also used intensively for other purposes, like commercial and recreational fishing, energy production, as a shipping route, and for aquaculture. Commercial and industrial use of the North Sea is sure to grow.
So human activities at sea almost always have an impact on the animals and the ecosystems where they live in. And that's why it's legally required to monitor ecosystem health.
Several pilot studies done in collaboration with various types of partners are being carried out within the GEANS project. In these pilots, the meta-barcoding technique is used to study various issues such as hardening of the seabed, sustainable exploitation of the seabed, or the introduction of invasive species.
We're doing a pilot study in several harbors around the North Sea because harbors are port of entry for non-indigenous species. These non-indigenous species, it's really critical that we detect them in time to prevent further spread, and our technology can actually speed up this process of detection.
In all our pilots, we are running these DNA-based techniques next to the traditional techniques to really make sure that they are working.
These high-tech analyses and the traditional methods can complement and reinforce each other for even better monitoring of the health of the North Sea.